Hey kids, we're gonna make a really great chicken thigh dish. We're gonna use cast iron, the gas grill, and it'd be kind of Asian inspired, a little Thai inspired. We're gonna start by just kind of browning some corn. Give me a little bit of char. Okay, while the corn's still, go in here. I got some thighs. Hit it with some desert gold. Avocado oil. We're just gonna give these some character, okay? Little Maillard effect, a little caramelizing. It'll really help. Hallelujah lime. There's lemon in the desert gold and lime, obviously, in hallelujah lime. Here we go. Like I said, we just want to get them brown. Check my corn out. Looking good. Be right back. Okay, we'll flip them over. We're going to be really careful on this side. The skin side, they go quickly. Perfect. I like the heat. It's gonna get fun now. Heat this pan up real good. Onions, jalapenos, and pineapple. Desert gold. Hallelujah lime. More oil. It looks like I'm using a lot of oil, but I'm not. Now we got this big boy going. Avocado oil. There's it. Now we're going to make the sauce. Can of coconut milk. Garlic in there. Herb in there. Ginger. So you see, you got coconut milk, ginger, garlic. Again, some desert gold. Some hallelujah lime. Okay, let's close her up. Fold in the corn. Okay, it's starting to boil. Doing some fun stuff now. Some white miso paste. Some Trader Joe's miso ginger broth. And the secret weapon's coming. Cream cheese. Yep. Cream cheese. It's going to thicken it and make it delicious. Okay, let me whisk it in here. It's going to be a beautiful thickener here. Juice of a lime. Put the lime in the coconut. This is kind of a chicken cream corn, Thai style. We'll put basil at the end. Beautiful. Okay. Fold the corn, onions, pineapple, and jalapeno in. Okay, now we're going to have both on high. We're going to move it to the middle. At the very end, we're going to put some more lime in. Some more basil. Look, it's almost like I planned it. Oh wait, I did. Let's put a probe in it for 170. Okay. That is just perfect. Hot. Okay, let's stir it up. Let's fold in some basil. It's really delicious.